What's going on, guys? We are in San Jose for WekFest. We got Anthony Tacoma with us today. He's running 42-inch Nitto tires, 1-ton axles. He's running our off-road performance pads with our slotted performance rotors. We got Kevin's Type R with us. He's running our 6-piston front, 6-piston rear BBK. We're gonna be walking around the show today, showing you some of the few builds up here from NorCal, so stay tuned. If you have questions about brakes, hit us up in the comments and we'll get back to you.
Dude, I daily that, bro. That's a beauty.
Hey, all in all, with everything that you got on here, how much did you spend?
With the truck, probably around 70,000.
70,000.
Bruh.
What is the first upgrade if someone wants to start wheeling?
I'd say tires.
Which gen Tacoma is the best platform for wheeling and building?
First gen.
SAS or IFS?
SAS.
Lockers or limited slip?
Lockers.
Portals or a lift?
Lift.
35s or 37s?
42s.
But like they say, you can't lose with 42s, so
Rubicon or Ford Ice?
Ford Ice.
Sliders or skids first?
Sliders, definitely.
Trail mix or beef jerky?
Beef jerky.
Long travel or mid travel?
Long travel.
Jeep or Toyota?
Toyota. For life.
Beadlock or non-beadlock?
Beadlocks.
Dude, this thing's pretty sick. It's a full long travel truck, dude. Spring under, dual shock setup. The tires could be a little bit bigger in my opinion, but that's just me. How close should we get? Like, what's going on, guys? I'm Rex of Our Own Contest. I'm here with John, and we're gonna ask him a few questions. Static or bagged?
I'm gonna have to go bags.
Paint or wrapped?
Paint for sure.
Track day or canyon run?
Track.
Mugen or spoon?
Mugen.
Is the Type R still worth it at current market prices?
It's too high. I'm gonna say no.
Turbo tune or leave it stock boost?
Turbo 2 for sure.
Of course, man.
Yeah.
It's a weird question to ask, right? Most underrated mod nobody talks about.
Maybe headlights.
What do you wish you knew before buying your S2000?
Don't buy an S2000. It's gonna take all your money.
K-swap or V-swap?
I'm gonna do K-swap.
VTEC or turbo?
Both? I like both.
Forced induction or naturally aspirated?
I like both, but forced.
All right, forced. OEM or aftermarket everything?
OEM plus.
Hatchback, sedan, or coupe?
I'm a family guy, so sedan.
I gotta agree with that one, dude. I'm a van guy.
But don't look at this though. Don't.
Or am I starting an opinion hot take? Sure, why not? I'm Rex from Our Own Contest, and I'm here with the pure 4x4 guys. I got
60.
Phil.
We're gonna ask them a few questions today. First question, what's the first upgrade if someone wants to start wheeling?
Wheels and tires.
R1 Concept brakes.
Yeah, the winner, dude. If we're putting votes here, dude, right here. What's the most overrated mod people spend money on?
Most overrated mod, T37s.
Decals with their Instagram handle on it. I'm kidding.
That was pretty good. That was pretty good. What do you wish you knew before your first build?
I wish I knew not to spend so much goddamn money. Yeah, I was the loudest in the room, but you don't gotta be like that. You know what I'm saying? Just keep it clean, make sure it runs good, and make sure it drives good. That's it.
Same thing. I wish I would have knew how much everything would cost.
Yeah.
Especially having to do it yourself.
What's one trail you do again in a heartbeat?
In your rig, Ford Ice all day. Ford Ice all day.
What generation Tacoma is best for wheeling and building?
First gen Tacoma all day.
Yeah, I'd have to agree. It's alright.
SAS or IFS?
IFS gang, baby!
IFS. I can't afford SES.
Lockers or limited slip?
Lockers, bro, all day.
Lockers. Alright.
Portals or lift?
Oh, man, I can't afford portals, so I'll pick lift.
Yeah, same. Only those R1 guys can afford it. Yeah.
Oh, we talking about, bro? I'm on that 2-kid budget, bro. All right, 35s or 37s?
Man, I was a 37 guy, but I'm gonna say 35s now. I'm a 35 guy now.
I'm Asian, smaller, 35s.
Jeep or Toyota?
Oh, you already know, bro. Yoda gang.
I mean, just checking. Yours always breaks.
No disrespect, because I got a lot of G friends too, but Toyotas don't break as much. That's it.
4Runner or GX?
I'm gonna go with the GX.
4Runner.
All right.
Beadlocks or non-beadlocks?
Non-beadlocks, fuck beadlocks.
I mean, if I'm going crazy, dumb, stupid, like, okay, beadlocks all day. Tease.
I mean, knowing you, you'll probably beadlock your TE later, anyways.
What'd you get?
Vendor car of the festival. Award-winning vehicle, Battle of the Bay. First time in the Bay. Thank you, San Jose. Big shout out to R1 for taking us here, man. Dude, Paul, Rex, man, Josh, bro, behind the camera. You guys are an amazing team. Killed it, per usual. Let me hit the Rex real quick. Hold on, hit the Rex. What's up, guys? It's Rex, R1 Concepts.
What's up, guys? It's Kevin. Project R right here, you know what I'm saying? Like my stage 5 polishing detail.
Stage 5. Oh my God.